Hey guys, it's me again. How have you been? I've been alright. It's me again. Welcome back to my channel. It's that time of year again. Valentine's Day. Boxes and boxes of chocolate, beautiful jewelry, dates. Unless you're like me and you don't have a date but you still want to do something fun. So I decided to do another makeup tutorial. I know we're back at it again. I have this really great look that I can't wait to share with you guys. So I have my Carmex. Make sure your face is clean and your lips are moisturized. There's no reason you have to be walking out here with chapped lips. It's not okay, especially during the winter months. Fix it. It's a new year, new season. Do it. Thank you. All right, and I have my red MAC lipstick. I'm sorry guys, I don't remember the actual color. The sticker fell off, but it's a really pretty red color. I have my Fuda Beauty Demi Matte liquid lipstick. It's my go-to. I love it. It's such a pretty, beautiful color. I have my Studio MAC Fix powder foundation. And I have my Smashbox SuperFan Fanned Out Mascara. And of course my NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point liquid eyeliner. And I decided to become a little bit more bougier today. I mean, well, not today, well, this year. And I decided to get something a little fancier for myself. And I have my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. And I have my Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. Now I have oily skin, so this is something that's gonna work magic for me. And I have my Arabian Nights eyeshadow palette. Of course, I know even though it's a new year, we still got to remember where we came from, okay? Because we start from the bottom and now we here, okay? So I have my Arabian Nights eyeshadow palette because I'm going to use it. And last but finally not least, I'm so excited to share with you guys the Berries by Juvia's palette. I'm really excited. It's black owned. I got it from Ulta. I think it was I got it for like $17. I don't remember exactly, but it was a very, very reasonable price. I'll put the price down below for you guys. But yeah, I'm excited to show you guys this palette, and I'm excited to try it, especially for Valentine's Day. It has really beautiful pink and purple colors and shimmery colors. So let's get started. So first, I'm going to start on a clean face, people. Clean face and moisturize. Make sure your face is clean and moisturized and your lips are clean and moisturized, please. All right, sign up. Over. And I'm going to start with my eyes. I'm not going to put my foundation powder on just yet. I decided that it's something that I want to save for the last part, just because, you know, eyeshadow, she be blowing everywhere. We can't have that. We have to. She doesn't like to be tamed, and she needs to know what's up. So we're gonna do the MAC powder last. So first I'm going to start with my Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I'm going to put a little bit on my eyelids. Yes, I did 3 little dots. To me that's a little bit, but to you it might be something else, and that's completely fine. But I want to do 3 little dots on both eyelids, and then I'm going to use my brush to blend it out. Now I'm sorry, I have a mirror right in back of the camera, so I'm going to be switching from looking at you guys and my mirror just to make sure I look good, alright? Because we can't be out here on camera not looking good. I already look a mess with this primer on anyway, so yeah, it's alright.
Alright, so now I'm just gonna just like disperse the primer a little bit. There we go. She out here, she ready. She ready. Alright, there we go.
Alright, now that my primer is basically spread evenly, I'm going to go into my Arabian Nights palette and take, of course, my favorite color, my fantasy color. Of course, you can tell that I use it a lot. It's my favorite. And I'm going to start in the corner of my eye. I do not, I realize that I don't like working from the outside in. I like to work from the inside out, just because it just feels like I'm going to be working backwards if I go from the outside in. I don't know. I'm loading up my brush with the Fantasy powder, just tapping it, a little whistle blow, and I'm going to take that to the corner of my eye. There we go. And then I'm going to load up my brush again and go on the other side. Of course, you didn't know? Well, now you do. Okay. Okay, so now that both eyes have the fantasy on them, I'm going to venture off into my Juvia's palette. I'm so excited. Look at all the pretty colors. Oh, it's so pretty. So I think I want to start with this beautiful middle pink color on the top. I think I'm just gonna be working with the top today, not the bottom. That's another video for another time. And I'm going to load up my brush with that top middle beautiful pink color. And so you see where the shimmery fantasy color ends, I'm going to line that up with the pink color right smack dab in the middle. And you see I'm not doing strokes of the eye powder.
What?
Eyeshadow powder color.
Oh. Okay.
I'm just patting it on and layering it up just to build on the color. Yeah. Hey, yeah. We got new colors. It's a new season. Yeah. All right, and then I'm going to, sorry guys, like I'm in a really good mood and I had a lot of coffee today. So you have the energetic Rashida today. If you're anything like me, you have to be very careful with your actual eye because my eyes are so sensitive, especially during this time of year, that like literally waterworks just everywhere, just waterworks. And even like on my mask, it's like so annoying because I have tears like drenched on my face mask for when I go outside because you know COVID's out here. And all right, so I have the pink on my eyes. It's so nice. And now I'm going to go back into the Berries palette because why not? I want more. And I want to use this top right beautiful metallic color. It's really pretty, and I want to go right in the line where the fantasy color and the pink color meet and go over it with the beautiful metallic color. So I'm loading up my brush and doing that again. There we go, and just patting it right there, patting it down. Look at that, it's starting to come up. Let me make sure you guys can see. And I'm going to bring the color out just a little bit to the end. I'm going to go with the top left color. It's a beautiful purple color. And I'm going to put it at the end of my eyes. So I'm loading up my brush once again with that beautiful top left purple color. Whisper blow. And we're building this color on our eyes. And you see, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm starting to get the powder all down here. That's why I'm going to save the face powder for last. And then I'm going to go back into my Juvia's palette. And I'm going to go again with that top middle pink beautiful color. And I'm going to load up my brush a little bit, pat it off, and go apply it to the bottom of my lash. Bottom of my eyes. The bottom. The bitty bottom. See, again, I'm tearing. The tears are coming, guys. I'm just kidding. So now that my eyeshadow is applied, I'm going to go in with my NYX Professional Makeup eyeliner. I love this eyeliner because it's liquid And it's angled, baby. It's angled! So that means we can do wings. So nice. Without messing up too much. Too much, because you still have to have some skill level. Of course, I cannot look at the camera because this is something I do not want to mess up. I'll do the other side first before I begin the wings. Now I can do the wings. Alright, so I'm going to first start by branching out both lines on both sides and wiping away these tears. There's no tears left to cry at all. Why? Alright, now I have my eyeliner. Right, so now that my eyeliner is applied to both eyes and the waterworks have stopped, I have my Smashbox SuperFan Fanned Out Mascara. It's a beautiful red color. I'm going to apply my mascara onto my eyelashes so we can be beautiful butterflies out here. So how I apply it, I go up, down, up. Apply the remaining of liquid of the mascara that's on the brush onto my brows. I'm sorry, I'm not into doing my brows. Sorry, not sorry. I like the way my brows are. I just think they need to be groomed a little bit, and we're good to go. That's it. All you need. That's all you need, child. We ain't got the time. Maybe one day I'll do like a challenge myself to doing my eyebrows. But it's just not today. I'm sorry. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. All right, now apply the MAC face powder. This has been my go-to for a very, very long time. I'm just patting this onto my skin. I'm going to go ahead and focus on my lips. Now, like I said, I cannot stress this enough. Please make sure your lips are moisturized, you guys. Take proper care of your skin, especially when you're wearing makeup. So I already have my Carmex on my lips, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my red MAC lipstick on, and you can tell I use this a lot because it's like literally down to the bullet. And I'm gonna apply it to my lips. And I don't want to apply too much because I'm gonna layer it. I'm going to put the liquid lipstick on top of it. And now, just to set everything, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay D-Slick Setting Spray. And I'm going to take care of this waterworks because my eyes really do be trying it sometimes. Okay, spray it. Don't say it. Hey, we looking good for Valentine's Day, right? Am I right? Am I right? Yes. All right, and I actually have a little special treat for you guys. I actually decided to make some hair and earring accessories.